And don't be dumb. The trick was never done. They just keep on bringing them, no doubt about it. Now, I told you about the mainstream media and how they fool your head up with nothing but lies. But what you gotta understand, the YouTube is also a part of the mainstream. Cause I told you already, all of these mainstream channels, mainstream media, they basically have channel on YouTube. Why? Because it is a mainstream media, no doubt about it, and they push whatever they want to push on the masses. They got YouTube channels that pushing nothing but garbage, and of course we have to find a way to stop it. And of course the mag right here with the Bam It.
OSIRIS-REx has been chasing the massive space rock for years. Now it's called...
Yes, they're talking about Osiris. Wow. NASA sent off a so-called probe called Osiris to catch a damn meteoroid or asteroids. All bullshit they teach the masses. Let's go back and listen right here. Let's go.
Known as Bennu, the diamond-shaped asteroid hurtling through space.
Diamond-shaped asteroid. And of course, once you hear the name diamond, you know 100% is for Freemasonry. Diamond is 33 numerology. And this right here they show you is all CGI. It's never real. And the dumb people fall for it. You believe, what part of earth is this? You better wake your ass up. What is this they show you? And tell you that it's earth. They never show you nothing real. Wake your ass up.
In a near-Earth trajectory is colossal enough to extinguish life on our planet. But it's not alone. A NASA probe, OSIRIS-REx, has been chasing the mass...
Osiris is a devil name. That's what you need to know. All fallen angels, they name their so-called rockets and probe. You better wake your ass up. Osiris. Wow.
Space rock for years. Now it's caught up with the body and is preparing to land on its surface.
Yes, so they tell you that space rock, what they call meteoroid and asteroids, going around the earth so fast they can still see it and catch up with it. No, it's fake with 100%. It's just a way to sell you the ball earth and space. No doubt about it. All fake.
But the high-risk maneuver demands absolute precision. Approximately 66 million years ago,
66 million years ago is a coding, no doubt about it. Satanic coding, and they're giving you the fake shit because it is satanic teaching 100% to I the Almighty. They give you the Big Bang and all this trash right here. You believe it? Yes, so-called everything happened by coincidence. It's time for you to wake up. Of course, we got a creator, and it's not a fucking alien.
large asteroid slammed into Earth near Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula.
Fakery and the masses, they know exactly where the so-called meteorite hit that destroy what?
That triggered a cataclysm, an extinction event that led to the loss of 3/4 of the planet's biodiversity.
3/4 of the planet. You hear that? This is what they say destroyed dinosaur, which never exists. It's just a fake shit 100%. And of course, it's a dumbed down trick for the ball earth and the so-called planets that they sell the masses. And of course, why not throw an animal in there? A fake animal, put it in museum and trick the masses. You get enough money from them yet? Of course, time to tell the people that all that museum shit is all fake. Not even one of them is real. When people gonna wake up, dumb,
including the dinosaurs. In fact, the impact transformed the environment into one that allowed Homo sapiens to evolve and flourish.
Homo sapien to absorb and flourish. You better wake your ass up. Nothing that you get from ancient teaching is not real. And all of this, especially when they go telling you about the earth and space, all fucking divergent from the truth, all fake.
A similar asteroid collision today, however, would mean the end of human civilization as we know it.
Yes, that's what they're selling, man. And of course, they go bring that day when they go tell you a meteor. They do it already. But one day they're gonna tell you that one meteorite or asteroid is gonna hit for real. That's why they come out with this movie right here from back in the days, Armageddon. And I told you I never miss. Look at the sign they got on the shirt. It's the same fucking NASA looking shit, of course, no doubt about it. All orange, Freemasonry, fool the masses, just like you see this movie. The space is not real. It's all fake.
Scientists have known about the risk of such an asteroid collision for decades. Indeed, the chances of it happening are 100% certain.
100% certain that the meteoroid gonna crash into Earth and destroy us. You see that? They've been selling man this shit all this time. You see that? They say it's 100% fact that it gonna hit. It just when. Wow, it's nothing but bullshit, people. 100% selling your garbage.
It's merely a question of when. Hollywood, in fact, has already imagined the asteroid apocalypse with several movies. The 1990
Several movies, and I told you this is what build your life around you. Hollywood, it's time for you to wake up. Don't let them sell you no more science fiction and call it real life. You believe this, then make the movie The Armageddon just to put it in your subconscious mind that they got asteroids that can hit Earth. You need to wake your ass up. You see the dome? Look up in the sky if you feel like the mag lied to you. Look in the sky. Who you gonna believe? Your eyes or them? Look up in the sky on a clear day. You do see a top. Look in there. Look up in the sky at night. You still see that top. What is that? You better wake up. It's a dome cover the earth and they fool the masses. Or you're gonna see something and they tell you you don't see nothing. It's just atmosphere and gas. Dumb people on this earth. Or you let them take back what you see. Wow. Wow, I can't believe it.
box office smash Armageddon among them. But where Armageddon is a light sci-fi...
What they show you right here? This is not real. This is what they show you right here. Computer graphics. You think this real? When you think this is real, that's when you're dumb. That's when you can't get away from the trickery. They got too much real trickery for you to fall for this right here. If you fall for this, you're just dumb.
adventure starring Bruce Willis and Ben Affleck, the threat of Bennu is real.
Bennu. The threat of Bennu is real. They always have a name for them so-called asteroids and probe. Get the fuck out of here. It's fakery.
Thought that asteroids were forged in the same high-energy crucible that gave birth to our solar system. These rocky bodies range in size from small pebbles to enormous hunks of stone, measuring...
Give birth to a solar system. People just dumb. There ain't no fucking solar system. It's garbage.
hundreds of miles across. Along with the sun, planets, and moons, their creation came about approximately 4.6 billion years ago, when...
4.6 billion years ago, of course, they know about that. People just dumb. They can make up dumb shit, sell it to the masses, and because their mind can't grasp it and process it, what they do, they take it and run. Of course, just debunk what your eyes show you and believe the dummies on TV. Wow, that's just the dumbest thing to me.
enormous molecular cloud containing dust and gas collapsed in on itself.
Bullshit.
As such small pieces of asteroids and other space rocks occasionally fall to Earth.
This is what they tell the dumb people. Okay? They tell you that atmosphere and gas form rock. Big old bam. Bullshit. Kick that away. How come people need to wake up? I told you, I don't put up with bullshit. You believe that gas and atmosphere can make rock? You need to wake your ass up. Remember, they tell you the Big Bang start from nothing. Nothing. Just atmosphere blow up and you get rock. You need to wake your ass up. Dumb people, just dumb as the damn rock.
Almost burn up the atmosphere as shooting stars. Occasionally, around 10 times a year, a small piece known as a meteorite makes it to the surface.
Bullshit.
As a result, meteorites often leave a small impact crater. Unless you have the cosmic misfortune of being hit by one, however, they pose no serious threat to human life.
Bullshit.
An asteroid the size of Bennu is another matter, however. The impact of such a large space rock would unleash kinetic energy equivalent to...
Kinetic energy. It's nothing but garbage. And listen what you're gonna say right here. It's nothing but trash.
The impact of such a large space rock would unleash kinetic energy equivalent to tens of thousands of atomic bombs.
Tens of thousands of atomic bombs. You hear that, people? You need to wake your ass up. They don't even have no fucking atomic bomb. They like to trick the dumb people. And of course, you can't fool everybody.
The shock waves would cause earthquakes and tsunamis.
Earthquake and tsunamis that they create. That's what you need to know. All they have to do for a tsunami is upset the water. That's it. No doubt about it. And here they go, showing you this blue thing right here and tell you that it is Earth. And they always show you a half of it and tell you it's a half a ball they can see. Because one side is dark, the other side is lit. You better wake your ass up. This is the dumbest shit.
And the dust cloud would probably cool the planet for hundreds of years, devastating its ecology.
All bullshit. And look at the fake stars in the background. All garbage. They show the masses who is in space recording this rock from behind, so-called. Wow.
Thousands of space rocks travel close to the Earth. By close, scientists mean around 120 million miles out. Most of
120 miles out. 120 million miles out. Wow, for your number 3. Wow, they full of shit, people.
Though,
All day
are
of the week.
concentrated in the area between Jupiter and Mars. Bennu is one
Jupiter and Mars, you know what they're talking about? Some lights that in the sky, in the dome. Just like you see the star, the sun, the moon. They all inside the dome, in the earth. You get it? It's a earth. It's not a planet. It's not a universe. It's a damn earth, 100%. When you see the top, that's the top. It's not atmosphere. Nobody in this world can see fucking atmosphere. People so dumb. You think you can see atmosphere? Atmosphere and gas? Wow, every fucking thing they tell the masses is gas. Garbage, people. You need to wake your ass up.
of 200 known asteroids with a solar orbit much like our Earth's. However, in fact, one Bennu year is equivalent to 436 Earth days.
All bullshit they give the masses. All trash. And what is this right here? So-called satellite? Wow, you always see these so-called satellite with wings made out of solar panel going 3,000-4,000 miles per hour. How the fuck they do that and it don't break off? People just dumb. 100%.
And the body passes perilously close to our planet on a regular basis, once every half dozen years.
Bullshit.
Scientists originally gave the asteroid the rather catchy name 1999 RQ-36.
RQ-36. Yes, it's a coding for 3 6s. The mark of the beast. And of course, they love to put that out there when they mention this shit because it is a devil work. 100%. And they show you that this probe right here gonna land on this. You see everything they show you? The moon, everything they show you look the same. All they do is change the color. And the dumb masses buy it. They redden this and tell you that it's Mars. They lighten it and show you that it's moon. Wow, people just dumb. Come on. Look at this right here. It's just fakery. Cartoon they give the dumb people.
Bennu's new moniker, however, was selected by Mike Puccio in a contest in 2013. The 9-year-old thought that the Osiris
9-year-old, all fucking coded.
Rex TAGSAM sampling device and solar panels look like the neck and wings of the Egyptian deity Bennu, who is often represented in the form of a heron.
You hear that? I told you already, everything they name is satanic puppet. Everything they hear them name, they basically get a name from one of them so-called fallen angels, so-called king on earth, all satanic people. And then they name.
At 1,650 feet wide, Bennu is a comparatively big asteroid. Of course, the larger the asteroid, the easier it is to land a probe on it. Smaller space rocks, 650 feet across or less, tend to spin rapidly, making them unsuitable for
650. Wow, number 11.
landing on. With technological improvements, however, we may be able to explore a wider range of asteroids in the future. OSIRIS-REx, an acronym for Origins Spectral Interpretation Resource Identification Security Regolith Explorer, is a $800 million space probe. With the help of its
800 million. Who you think pay for that so-called shit that's not even there? Who you think? The taxpayers' money, the regular people paying all these fucking fake shit. Why is it still going on? Wow, have the people paying for nothing but fakery, fabricated shit they made up. Wow, are you kidding me? Dumb on.
sensitive detection instruments and cutting-edge robotics, NASA scientists hope to extract 2 ounces of rock from the surface of Bennu and bring it back home.
Yes, they're gonna get 2 ounces of rock and bring it back home. What is this? You see this? What is this they show you? You take it and run. Why? Low IQ people buy the NASA bullshit. What is this? This is the gold tin file right here that gonna take the rock. You better wake your ass up. They show you cartoon that the kids know cartoon. Why grown folks don't know cartoon? This is cartoon right here, computer graphics. They never show you nothing real. Why you take it from them? How the fuck they show this shit on the nose? It's a dumb check.
The main advantage of returning the sample is that a far wider range of tests can be carried out on Earth than in space. Well, OSIRIS-REx
See the wings on it? The solar panel wings? People just dumb. That's all it
most
is.
sophisticated technology,
Wake up call.
the most advanced scientific analysis require large, bulky equipment that cannot fit on a probe.
You see, because you believe in this, you come on the mag channel bitching and bitching and bitching. Mad because you know nothing. Of course, after a while, of course, you know you've been tricked. But you won't admit it because what? You hate to look like you're dumb. Or you hate to buy the dumb shit and admit it. But me, of course I did buy it. Of course. All the shit that you see me break down, of course. Why you think I'm breaking them down? They have effect. They have a deep effect on people's life. This fucking deception, of course. That's why I hit it with the bam. Look at this right here. And a human being with brain take this and say it's real. That's the most fucked up part of it. You believe a live human being that God gave a brain. See this and think it's real. Wow. Wow. I can't believe
Of course,
it.
flying the sample home makes the mission riskier and more complicated.
Of course, they give you planets. Wow. Computer graphics. They call it planets. I told you, people, don't let them use the lights that God put in the sky. It's just decoration for the human eyes. Just look and see. And you understand, it's because we got so many lights on this earth right now. That's why we can't really too much see the sky. That's what you need to know. At night, the sky is supposed to be a wonder. You just kick back, look at the stars and all the lights in the sky. Yes, and that's entertainment right there. But what they do, they hide the sky and trick the masses. Tell you that if you see a light in the sky, it's a round ball planet. Wow, people buy it. Wow.
In fact, the operation follows on from NASA's Dawn mission to
Why they don't show you something real? The people that believe in NASA and believe in space and these satellites, why don't they? You can't ask one question. Ask them, what the fuck is the real shit? Where is the real shit? Where is the real satellite? Where is the real planet? Why show us something that you made up on a computer? Wow. You would have buy this, people? Wow.
asteroid known as Vesta. However,
weird.
if OSIRIS-REx is successful, it won't be the first time a spacecraft has delivered an asteroid sample to Earth. Japan earned that accolade in 2010 with their Hayabusa spacecraft. And its successor, Hayabusa 2, is currently en route to the Ryuga asteroid.
Wow.
OSIRIS-REx is part of
So all these so-called asteroids flying around in space and NASA sending probe to land on them to take back samples, and the dumb people buy it. Wow, I told you, people, this the space shit is the dumbest thing ever give mankind. The dumbest thing they give mankind. Wow, why they believe everything the mainstream bring them? Why? They program you already and tell you they got the truth. Of course, you're gonna take it and run.
NASA's New Frontiers program, which uses smaller spacecraft to explore our local solar system. Other participants have included New Horizons, which in 2015 completed a flyby of Pluto and Juno, which has been orbiting Jupiter since 2016. The proposal for OSIRIS-REx was selected from a range of finalists in 2011. The probe has 5 specific instruments for surveying and analyzing the surface of Bennu. First, its visible and infrared spectrometer, OVIRS, will be used for detecting organic chemicals and minerals by measuring light, both near infrared and visible. OVIRS, in fact, identifies material properties by detecting the light frequencies absorbed.
Only so much dumb shit I can hear for one day. This is too dumb, no doubt about it. But I tell you, people, I'm on a mission to stop the fucking deception. And of course, you better come with me, no doubt. Take a look at what they show you, and if it's real, unsubscribe from the mag and never watch again. But if they show you something that I tell you is computer graphic they show you for space, okay, then you know the mag is on. You can check it with your own eyes. Go ahead and look at the sky in a clear day and you tell me what you see. If it's not a top, yes, shut down the mag. I'm gone.